Welcome to DC, your home for the best and most profitable trading strategies. We specialize in simple yet highly effective techniques designed to help you grow your trading account consistently. Today, I'm going to share with you the most accurate scalping strategy for the boom and crash indices, one that will help you avoid spikes and maximize profits. But before we dive into the strategy, make sure to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on any of our top strategies and trading tips. Now, let's get into today's strategy. Indicator settings. We're using two powerful indicators today, the alligator on the main chart and the stochastic oscillator in the indicator window. Let me walk you through the setup. For the alligator, we are using the default settings. For the stochastic oscillator, we'll tweak the settings as follows. %K period, 1. %D period, 1. Slowing, 1. Period field, low/high. Method, simple. Style, royal blue. Levels, 20 and 80. Once you're done, your chart should be ready to go. Zoom level. We'll be using the second zoom level on the chart to keep things precise. How to trade the strategy, Boom Index. Let's start with Boom, where we'll be focusing on selling and targeting the small red candles. Here's the conditions. 1. Wait for the lime and red lines on the stochastic oscillator to reach the 80 level. 2. The lime line should cross below the red line while both are still above the 80 level. 3. On the main chart, the lime line of the alligator should also cross below the red line of the alligator. Once these conditions are met, open a sell position. Set your stop loss above the previous spike and hold the trade for 8 to 10 minutes or 8 to 10 M1 candles before closing. Are you ready to take your trading to the next level? Whether you're into derivative synthetic indices like step, jump, volatility, drift shift, boom, and crash, or you're looking to diversify with gold signals, we've got you covered. Our exclusive VIP signal service delivers at least 10 signals per day, complete with stop loss and take profit levels. Never miss an opportunity again with our highly accurate signals, including a separate VIP gold signals group for gold lovers. Want to learn how to trade like a pro? Join our mentorship program, where you can choose between personalized one-on-one lessons or our affordable pre-recorded video course. Gain the skills and knowledge to profit in today's market. Automate your trades with our powerful trading robots for boom, crash, and volatility indices. Visit MQL5 today to purchase our top-rated boom and crash spike detectors and robots. You can even download a demo version to test it before you buy. Looking for more precision? Check out our paid strategies with high accuracy, including our boom and crash spike strategy and scalping strategy. These are proven to help you consistently stay ahead in the markets. Interested in copy trading? Connect your MT5 account to ours, and every trade executed on my account will automatically be mirrored on yours. For just a $50 subscription fee, with a minimum equity of $100, you can target profits of up to $300. Let our experience work for you. Get in touch with me today on WhatsApp at +27 683 229 304 and start your journey to trading success. Don't miss out. Let's trade smart, let's trade profitable. How to trade the strategy, crash index. Now, let's talk about crash, where we're looking to buy. Here's the conditions. 1. Wait for the lime and red lines on the stochastic oscillator to reach the oversold level below the 20 level. 2. The lime line should cross above the red line while both are still below the 20 level. 3. On the main chart, the lime line of the alligator should also cross above the red line. Once these conditions are met, open a buy position. Set your stop loss below the previous spike and hold the trade for 8 to 10 minutes before closing. If you found this strategy helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Follow us on our social platforms to stay updated on new strategies and VIP signal services.